Hi, it's Deborah, and I want to talk a little bit about our embossed HTV. It's something new that we're offering. We just put it on our website. We have 20 colors, and they range from solid colors to some shiny, different types of gold and silver. Kind of looks like hologram. The cool thing about embossed is that it's embossed, and when you put it on your substrate, it looks like it's been stamped on, has kind of a chrome look to it. But it's got something kind of funky you need to know about. And I show you a video of this. When you cut this, you're going to see that it looks like some of the ink comes off, but it comes off on the mask, but it does not come off on your substrate. So we have 20 different colors. It starts in price at $1.50, and then it goes up to sheets this size, which I think are 12 by 20 for $3.99. You press it at 315 degrees for about 15 seconds. You cannot layer this. And what else? Oh, you cold peel it. Other than that, experiment with it a little bit when you first get it, because it is new, it is textured, and it's a little different. But we have some really, really beautiful colors. Let me just show you a few. I hope you'll try it. I think you'll have a lot of fun with it. Bye, guys.